Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do long vowel E sound. The sound of long vowel E is E. So today we are going to cover the words which end in E, and that E which is in the ending is going to tell us that the vowel before is going to produce its long vowel sound. Very much similar like the words that we did in long vowel A family. We covered words like made, main, and so on. All of those words were ending in E, but the A in those words were producing its long vowel A sound. And similar thing is going to get applied for long vowel E. Now let's understand this concept in a better way by the examples of these words. The first word that I have is Eve. Eve. Do you see an E in the end? Now this E is telling us that this E is going to produce its long vowel E sound, and the one which is in the ending does not produce any sound. So let's begin with E, because it is going to be long vowel E sound. Eve, Eve, and then I stop because this E is not going to produce any sound. Eve, Eve. Eve is an evening before, a day before. So if I say we celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, that means if Christmas is on 25th, I'm going to celebrate it on 24th, just one day before. Eve. Now let's do another word. This is TH, and TH makes a sound of the and the. This we have already covered before. Now a lot of people have asked me, how do I know whether it is the sound and how do I know whether it is the sound? Now what we are going to do is, first we are going to apply the sound and see if it fits in this word. This is going to be the E. I'm going to produce E, long vowel E sound. Why? Because it is ending in E. Now this E is telling us that this E is going to produce its long vowel E sound. So the eem, deem. I have not heard of this word. Now let's take the sound of TH as th and see if it makes sense. Eem, theme. The theme is an idea. What is the theme of your birthday party? So theme. Theme becomes theme. It will end in m. No sound of E in the end. So it ends in theme. And the last word of this category. Again TH. Now TH is making the and the sound. Now let's try first with the sound. The E. Why? Because this E is telling us that this one is going to produce its long vowel E sound. So the E's. These. Makes sense. These are my new shoes. So these. This is Eve. This is theme, and this is these. I hope the concept of the words ending in E is very much clear. And now let's move on to something new. Remember the rule of two vowels? Now whenever there are two vowels, in most of the cases, the first vowel produces its long vowel sound and the other vowel which is right next to it does not produce any vowel sound. Now there's a combination of EA. So the first vowel that I have is E. So this E is going to produce its long vowel sound of E, which is E. Let's take the first word. We see two vowels. The first vowel is going to produce its long vowel E sound. So there's going to be E. A will not produce any sound. So we'll move on to the next alphabet. E, T becomes eat. I eat my snack. So eat. Again, two vowels, and the first vowel that we have is E. So E is going to produce its long vowel E sound. Every time I see EA, I'm going to repeat the rule. Why? Because I want you to understand in a better fashion. Every time I see EA, I'm going to repeat the rule. Two vowels together, the first vowel is going to produce its long vowel sound. EA. So eat meat. This meat is our non-vegetarian food. So this is eat and this is meat. Next one is neat. Starting with N sound. E is producing its E sound. Eat, ending with T. So becomes neat, something which is very tidy. Your handwriting is neat. So this is neat. Eat, meat, neat. This is my favorite word from EA family. This is R, sound produced by alphabet R. Now this is EA, so it is going to produce the first sound of the alphabet, which is E, and R, E, and then D, read. Because this is what we have been doing in all our lessons. We are trying to read. R, E, D. I know how to read. Starting with B, so B sound. B, E, D, bead. Bead is a circular piece of jewelry. So bead. And so on. Bean, beat, and there are many words of EA category. Now I hope whenever you come across the words which have EA, you will be able to read them. Again, if the words are ending in E, then the first vowel that you see in that word is going to be a long vowel sound, and if there's a combination of EA, E is going to be the dominant one. That means E is going to produce its long vowel E sound. And this brings end to our today's lesson. I hope you were able to understand it, and in the next lesson we are going to cover another family which has long vowel E sound. I hope to see you soon in the very next lesson very soon. See you.